Okay, we're going to be installing number 3 self-piercing grommets into 2 layers of banner material with the Micron PL-10 machine. Okay, we are using the Micron PL-10. We're using the Micron PL-10 with number 3 self-piercing grommets into 2 layers of banner material. There's our material, 2 layers. There. There's the installation, the bottom, the top. It's a perfect installation. And here we go again. You put the grommet on top, washer on the bottom die, and 1 second, you just press the foot pedal, and there's the installation. Again, it's a perfect installation. 2 layers of banner material, no problem at all. This is number 3 self-piercing grommets by Micron.